Have you ever wondered how the ancient Egyptians, without modern technology, managed to build the Great Pyramids, structures that have stood the test of time? It's a question that has boggled the minds of archaeologists, historians, and adventurers for centuries. The pyramids, these architectural marvels, were constructed over 4,000 years ago, and yet they continue to stand tall, defying the ravages of time. The mystery is not just about their longevity, but also about their creation. How did a civilization with no access to cranes or bulldozers erect such grand edifices? Despite years of research and study, we still don't have concrete evidence to answer this question. Various theories abound, each attempting to explain this engineering feat in its own unique way, yet none have been definitively proven. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of pyramid construction and try to unravel its mysteries. To understand the mystery, we first need to understand the structure of the pyramids. At first glance, a pyramid may look like a simple geometric shape, a four-sided structure tapering to a point. But beneath this simple exterior lies a complex and sophisticated internal structure. The core of the pyramid, its heart, is made of locally quarried limestone blocks. These blocks, some weighing up to 2.5 tons, form the bulk of the pyramid's mass. Surrounding this core, like a protective shell, is the casing. This outer layer was composed of fine, white limestone sourced from quarries across the Nile. These casing stones, cut with precision, were polished to a high sheen, making the pyramid gleam in the sunlight, a sight that must have been awe-inspiring to the ancient Egyptians. Now let's delve deeper into the pyramid, into its intricate internal structure. The interior of the pyramid is a maze of passages and chambers, each serving a specific purpose. The most important of these is the burial chamber, where the pharaoh's body was laid to rest. This chamber was often located at the heart of the pyramid, accessible only via a series of narrow winding corridors. These corridors were not simply functional, they were symbolic, representing the pharaoh's journey to the afterlife. The Egyptians believed that these corridors would guide the pharaoh's spirit, leading it to the stars, where it would live on eternally. Now imagine constructing such a monument with only primitive tools and human labor. The materials used in the construction of the pyramids were all sourced locally. The limestone was quarried nearby, transported to the construction site, and then painstakingly shaped and positioned. The construction of the pyramids was a monumental task, requiring not only physical strength but also an advanced understanding of geometry and engineering. The Egyptians had to ensure that the pyramid would remain stable, that its sides would slope at the correct angle, and that its internal structure would remain intact for thousands of years. The precision with which these colossal structures were built is a testament to the advanced engineering skills of the ancient Egyptians. Now that we know how the pyramids are structured, let's delve into the theories on how they might have been built. First, we have the ramp theory. This theory suggests that the ancient Egyptians used a long, winding ramp to transport the massive stone blocks to the top of the pyramid. The strength of this theory lies in its simplicity. After all, ramps are a basic tool that have been used since the dawn of humanity. However, critics argue that such a ramp would have been an enormous structure in its own right, requiring a vast amount of material and labor to construct. Next, we have the water theory. This theory posits that the Egyptians flooded the construction site, floated the blocks up on barges, and then slowly drained the water to lift the blocks into place. The water theory is appealing because it explains how the Egyptians could have moved such heavy blocks with relative ease. However, there's little archaeological evidence to support this theory, and some experts question whether the Egyptians had the necessary technology to control water in this way. Finally, we have the internal ramp theory. This theory proposes that the Egyptians built a spiraling ramp inside the pyramid itself, allowing workers to haul the blocks upward as the pyramid rose. This theory has gained traction in recent years, especially after the discovery of a possible internal ramp in the Great Pyramid of Giza. However, like the other theories, the internal ramp theory has its detractors. Critics point out that it would have been incredibly difficult to maneuver the blocks around the tight corners of an internal ramp. While these theories provide plausible explanations, none of them can be concretely proven, keeping the mystery alive. The pyramids are not just architectural marvels, but also a testament to the intelligence of ancient Egyptian engineering. Their precision, an undeniable proof of this. Meticulous in their design, the pyramids align perfectly with the cardinal points, a feat that even today's architects would find challenging. But it doesn't stop there. The purposeful design of the internal chambers, crafted with an intricate understanding of structural integrity, reveals a deep knowledge of physical principles. The Grand Gallery of the Great Pyramid, for instance, is an engineering masterpiece designed to distribute weight and prevent collapse. Beyond the realm of architecture and engineering, the pyramids also embody the ancient Egyptians' advanced knowledge of mathematics and astronomy. The base length of the Great Pyramid, when multiplied by 1,000, is almost exactly the same as the number of days in a solar year. The pyramids are a reminder that our ancestors were not just builders but brilliant engineers. Despite all our knowledge, the construction of the pyramids remains an enduring mystery. We've traversed through the mazes of theories, delved into the depths of the pyramid's structure, and marveled at the intelligence of ancient engineering. Yet the conundrum persists. How did an ancient civilization devoid of our modern technology create such architectural marvels? The key points we've discussed today raise more questions than answers. From the precise alignment of the structures to the celestial bodies, to the baffling logistics of moving colossal stone blocks, to the intricate internal design, all aspects of the pyramid's construction are shrouded in enigma. The debates continue to rage, with scholars, historians, and engineers alike seeking answers. But the concrete evidence, the irrefutable proof we yearn for, remains elusive. And so, the pyramids, these ancient sentinels of the desert, continue to confound us. The pyramids continue to stand tall, a testament to human ingenuity, and a reminder of the mysteries that still surround us.